Yes, nice.
All right, this is the Ideal Traveler in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and I want to dedicate this first meal to the late Anthony Bourdain. Anthony, rest in peace. Is it going? Yeah. All right, this is the Ideal Traveler, and that's Megan's Bay, St. Thomas.
Got you partying day and night, waking up in time to catch that flight. Sitting
Take me with you. Let's go in the video.
where he'll end up, nobody knows. Oh, here he comes. He's the ideal traveler, man. Oh, there he goes.
You're doing good. There you go. Smile. You're all right.
I don't even look scared, right?
Just concerned. Just concerned.
Check it, make sure I got it.
Now you got it, trust me. Back over. The Ideal Traveler. I'm in St. Kitts in the West Indies. If you look on this side, you have Nevis. If you look on that side, it's St. Kitts. I'm here at Cocoa Beach. Not Cocoa Beach. Cocoa Shell Beach. Yes. All right, this is the Ideal Traveler. All right, let's see what that looks like.
Person is not. Which one of these things is doing its own thing? That one.
Doing the Henry. St. Martin, Mayho Beach, the Ideal Traveler. Once again, I'm at the end of the journey. And you can't tell me that dreams don't come true. Because for the last 7 days, all my hopes, dreams, and expectations have been exceeded. Now, I'm the Ideal Traveler. I'm going to see you next episode somewhere around the world.